everyone. How are you? I hope you're doing well. After a long time, we came back again. It's about a month that I haven't uploaded any video here, but now we're going to start again with Unit 38. Well, Unit 38 is about there was or there were, there has, there have been, there will be. Okay. The part A, there was, there were. About past, everyone. About past. When I say there is a train every hour, I'm talking about like present, something that is happening all the time. But when I say the time now is 11:15, there was a train at 11 o'clock. I'm talking about a past because it's now 11:15, but 11 was about a quarter past or ago. Now it's not anymore 11 o'clock. So I should say there was a train at 11 o'clock. Let's compare them. When I say there is or there are, it means like, for example, there is nothing on TV tonight. I'm talking about now. We are staying at a very big hotel. There are 550 rooms. Is everything okay? Are there any problems? I'm hungry, but there isn't anything to eat. Okay. But when we are talking about the past, like I say, there was nothing on TV last night. It's just show and it's a sign of the past. Okay? Wait. Yeah. Or here. We stayed at a very big hotel. There were 550 rooms. There were 550 rooms. Because I'm saying we stayed. It shows the past, but here I'm saying we are staying. It shows the present. Why is everything okay yesterday? Were there any problems? Were there any problems? I was hungry when I got home. Was when I got home. But there wasn't anything to eat. There wasn't. I'm so sorry, guys. I have a throat, sore throat. I mean, sore throat. So let's keep continue. B part B. There has been. There have been. Present perfect. Let's just see that. Okay, guys. Well, we were saying. Okay, guys. Well, we were saying. There has been. There have been. I'm sorry. It's talking about the present perfect. Well, present perfect. Something that has happened in the past and continues right now. Look, there has been or there has been an accident. There has been means there has been. There has been. There has been. It means that accident happened and now you can see the result. You can see that. So sometimes to continue. This road is very dangerous. There have many accidents. Yeah, there have been many accidents. You're talking about something like experience. So you should say there have been. Let's compare that with past. So there was an accident last night. Not there has been an accident last night. For past simple and present perfect, we can see unit 20 that I think we had it before. So here, part C, there will be. There will be. It's talking about when you see will, of course, it's talking about the future or plan or something like that. Do you think there will be a lot of people at a party on Saturday? On Saturday, not for now or past, it's for something else. The manager of the company is leaving, so there will be a new manager too. There will be. I'm going away tomorrow. I will do my packing today because there won't be time tomorrow. won't be. It's the negative that. And there won't be, there will not. Okay. And now here we have the exercises as you can see. Okay, let's just practice together. The first is 38.1. Look at the two pictures last week now. Now the room is empty, but what was in the room last week? Choose from the box and write as with there was or there were. Okay, let's just pause the video and continue to write. And after that, you can keep watching and see the right answer. Okay, now, everyone. As you can see here, uh, number two is there was a carpet because we have one. There was a carpet, or there were three pictures. One, two, three. Yeah. There was a small table. We have just one, so we use it was instead of where. Where is for plural, was for singular. There were some flowers. Yeah. There were some books. Yeah. There was an armchair. There was an armchair, yeah, as you can see, and there was a sofa. Sofa. Okay, part 38.2. Right, there was, there wasn't, was there, or there were, there weren't, were there. As you can see here, we have I was hungry, but there wasn't anything to eat. Or here, was everything okay yesterday? Were there any problems? Okay, now it's your turn to use these things in the blank. Okay, pause the video and answer. Okay, guys, let's continue. The number three, I opened the envelope. Guys, I opened the envelope, but it was empty. There was nothing. We stayed at a very hotel. Really? Was there full? Did you buy any bananas? No, there weren't any in the shop. There weren't any in the shop. Okay. Uh, did you buy any? No, the wallet was empty. There wasn't any money. Were there many people at the were few? We didn't visit them. There wasn't. Oh my god, my voice. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm sorry I'm late. There was a lot of traffic. 20 years ago, there weren't many tourists here. Now there are a lot. Yeah. And the next part as the last one. 38.3, right there plus is, are, was, were, has been, have been, and will be. Pause the video and answer, please. Okay, as the last part, as you can see, number two, there are 24 hours a day. Three, there was a party at the club last Friday, guys. Last Friday. Let me show you here last Friday. But I didn't go. Where can I get something to eat? There is or there's a cafe at the end of the street. Why are the police outside the bank? There has been, or there has been, or also we can say there was. When we arrived at the theater, there was a long queue outside. When you arrive tomorrow, there will be somebody at station to meet you. 10 years ago, there were or there are 500 children at the school. Now there are more than 1,000. Last week, guys, as you know, here there was it's for here, there are for here. And last week I went back town where I was born. It's very difficult now. Have a lot of. I think everything will be okay. I don't think there will be or there are. Okay, guys, it's all for today. Thank you, and Well, any question, just ask, write it below comments. I will answer that. And have a nice day.